warrior. It lives in a haven of peace. It can discern what others cannot. It can use Wi-Fi, real-time transmission, and smartphone to control. It comes out with 720p, 120-degree wide-angle lens. It is hovered like a mountain. It has 3 speeds can be switched. Slowly, steady, and powerful like Taiji. Fast, extremely accurate like a light. DIY master John Bounty can quickly replace different parts. Easy and simple, no fear of damage. Made friends by Kung Fu. Infrared battle mode. Need 2 jaws to begin fighting. Fight with your partners joyfully. You can attack by defending, then launch a crazy offensive. Quickly win the game. This is DIY Battle Drone.